Hello students, today in this video we are going to learn about question tags. This is the title, question tag, how to make question tags and rules for making question tags. So I am going to talk about different rules related to question tags. The first rule is very common. The first rule is the question tag of an affirmative sentence is negative. Means if there is any affirmative sentence, the question tag will always be negative. Examples are, he writes a letter. Till here before comma, you see this is an affirmative sentence, and that's why its question tag is in negative format. Okay, now you must be thinking, how did does or doesn't come? You see, he writes. Writes denotes it is verbs s or es form. Okay, or you can say it is verbs simple present tense. Means this verb s or es form denotes that the whole sentence is simple present tense. So if there is any s or es in the end of a verb, you find that the tense of the sentence is simple present tense, and that's why for this affirmative sentence we use doesn't. Okay, and after doesn't I am using he. He is the subject here used. So when you form a formula for a question tag, especially when there is an affirmative sentence, you can form it like this: helping verb. This formula is helping verb. What is helping verb? Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did. Okay, will, shall, could, may, must, might. These all are helping verb. Plus not plus subject. Remember subject. What is subject? Subject may be I, we, you, they, he, she, it, and the names as well: Ram, Shyam, Samir, Sudhir, okay, Sita, Gita, Samira. These all can be subjects, but for a question tag we use only I, we, you, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, sometimes that, there, this. Okay, so only these things are going to be used in question tag. No name should be used. For example, if there was Ram writes a letter, so I am not supposed to write Ram here. I will keep the same thing as a question tag. However, Ram or he, it doesn't make any difference for the question tag. Okay, but if there is she, then I will write she here. If there is a name Rita, I will write she, but I will not write Rita here. Okay, so once again, what is the formula for an affirmative sentence? I mean, if there is an affirmative sentence, what is the formula for a question tag? That is helping verb plus not plus subject. Subject is always personal pronoun. Okay, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, sometimes that, sometimes there, and this. Okay, but one more thing you must remember, that whenever you are writing any question tag in a negative format, this will be in short form. The helping verb and not will be combined, and it will be written in a short way. For example, are not. Okay, are not is written like aren't. Okay, is not is written like isn't. You know it very well. Okay, you see, I am your friend, aren't I? See, I have put it in a bold letter. Aren't I is in bold. Why? Because I want to show you that here I have used I am, so the question tag should be amn't I. But amn't I is never used in English. Nobody uses it, and there is no such kind of rule that we should use amn't for I am. The rule is only this: you are supposed to put this question tag for I am. Okay, aren't I? But if you see I am not your enemy, okay, then you are supposed to write the question tag am I. This is the second rule I am going to talk about. Okay, here not is already there, so I will write am I, not ri. So this is an exception. This is an exception. Otherwise, all the things are clear. This is an exception. You must remember. If there is I am, you are supposed to write aren't I. Okay. Let's see the next example. She is ugly. So she is taken here, and is taken here with not. So it becomes isn't she. So I want you to refer to these all examples first. Then after this video, I will send some questions for your exercise. Okay, here you see Rudra. Rudra is a name of a male person, so I have used he. And has is taken here with not, so it becomes hasn't. Okay, it's very easy. There is a printing, actually there is a mistake, a little just a minute.